Is that good, baby girl? Hey, Lucy. Everybody wants to see you eat. Yes. Is that good, Lucy? What you eating in there? Huh? Oh, that's good, huh? Yeah, I know. Nasty old ears. Hate that medicine, but it'll make you feel better. Yeah, everybody wants to see Lucy eating. Yeah, this is the best Lucy's eaten since we got her. We'll see if she holds it down. Yeah, good girl, Lucy. Lucy. So I'm busy. I can't look right now. Are you done? Lucy. Lucienne. Lucienne. Hey, baby. Look at us. Oh, there you are, sweet baby girl. Yeah, I hope they feel better now. Yeah, I hope you feel better now. Yes, I do.